Currently, Tyrone has $60 and his sister has $135. This is Tyrone and his sister. $60 here and $135 in here. Both gets an allowance of $5 each week. Tyrone decides to save his entire allowance each week. So this one plus $5 each week. Okay, but his sister spends all of hers each week. So she gets $5 and she spends all $5 plus an additional $10 each week. So this means his Tyrone's sister will her money will be reduced by $10 each week. All right, we're not adding 5. It says here his sister spends all of the income, all of the $5 that she gets every week. So minus $10 each week. After how many weeks will they each have the same amount of money? There are a couple of ways you can do this one here. Either you do just mentally. I see that the choice is 2, 3, 4, 5. So the further that you can go is 5 months. You need at which month Tyrone's savings or Tyrone's money equal to his sister's money. So if we can, you might use an equation, or you can do it mentally. Let's use an equation first and then do it mentally. So Tyrone's equation is 60 plus $5 each week equals the 135 minus $10 each month. Okay, let's solve this equation. $10 each week. Let's solve this equation for x. X is the number of weeks in this one. So you see here we can add 10x to both sides. Right, so we don't have negative numbers anymore. You got 60 plus 5. I'm sorry, add 10. 5 plus 10 is 15x equals 135. We cancel that with this one. Then we're going to subtract 60 from both sides. You will get 15x equals 135 minus 60, that is 75. Then you divide by 15, divide by 15. You get x equals 75 divided by 15 is 5. X equals 5, and that's the number of months, which is 5. You can do this one algebraically, manually or by hand or mentally. How Tyrone is 5 goes up by $5. So the first week is going to be 65, and his sister is going to be 125. The next week is going to be 70. His sister is going to be let's call it 70. 75, 80, 85. I'm just gonna try as much as I can, and 90. That's enough. So his sister each week is gonna go down by 10. So the first week is 135. Second week is 125, 110, 115, 105, 195, 85. So which week is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Alright, which is going to be the same thing as this. Work well.